But I wanted to read a few poems from the new issue of Down in the Dirt, which is an ISBN book and is called Treading Water. It's called Rosie the Riveter by Ralph Monday. Rosie was reading Mein Kampf on her lunch break. River, a gun in her lap. She really would have liked to have had a conversation with Anne Bradstreet or Emily Dickinson, but Anne was busy apologizing for her poetry, and Emily, dressed in white, was trying to escape from a cathedral. Poor girls, Rosie mused, never made the Saturday Evening Post, never knew we can do it. Took a last bite from her apple, went back to knocking in solid rivets for the boys and their B-29s. Somewhere down Rosie's line, Helen Reddy was warming up. Please come around, I believe that might have also been in a chapbook, which you can also download for free at scars.tv in the chapbook section in 2014. This